Hi, so today I will show you how the /Axolo command works. This feature is made so that you know what are the current pending pull requests that needs attention so that you can keep track of the progress of the status, and you have different set of features that I will show you today. So how does it work? So if you do /Axolo and press enter, Axolo will tell you how it works exactly. So you can do /Axolo me and will tell you all the pull requests you are currently part of, either as a reviewer, as a creator, and you can see all those pull requests. So I can see this one, for example, this one, and I can directly click on it and it would take me to that pull request so that I can go ahead, or I can click on here and it will take me to the GitHub page so I can review the code or whatever. And you can do /Axolo team. We have a team called founders, so we can do that and will show me all the founders pull requests. And this is it. It's pretty straightforward. You can run it in any channel where Axolo is part of. And yeah, you can also have it sent automatically every day if you want. And this is part of the stand-up features. This will be another video. So let us know if you have any questions or any feedback. And thank you. Bye.